Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful, highly decorated 1976 Corvette Stingray. Got Tom here, the owner. He's going to tell us about it. How you doing today, Tom?
We're doing good.
Man, what a cool car.
Thank you.
It's got some awards, huh?
Yes, a lot of work went into it.
Of course, I can imagine. So tell us about it.
So we had gotten the car some years back, and one thing led to the next. We ended up doing a complete ground-up restoration, starting under the car, all suspension, everything to it. The engine was actually taken out and degreased and painted.
Cool.
All the correct markings, all the correct codes.
Great. Do you know who did most of the work?
Yes, my restoration guy in West Babylon.
In West Babylon.
Bud.
Oh, Bud. I know Bud. Buddy. He's over on Keene or something.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
I've known him 15 years. Great guy.
Yep, and the other guy, Corvette Specialties.
Yeah.
In Nassau County.
Yeah, they have great parts over there. Good service too. So what kind of options? What's the color called?
Well, they call it a bright blue. Some people call it lemon blue with the correct bright blue paint code. And that is all the original paint. It's never been repainted yet.
I like that. Only original once.
That's what I hear with the NCRS guys. That's all they say.
Yes, sir.
So, but it's a fully equipped. It's the Deluxe interior.
Cool.
That gives you the leather, natural leather interior.
I like that. Really adds a nice touch.
Automatic and air conditioning. Power windows, of course. Tilt wheel, telescoping wheel.
Okay. So she's pretty much all original except for
It's original. Yes.
hoses, clamps, suspension, bushings, right?
Yeah, a couple of things that wouldn't be original from NCRS is some of the bushings and whatnot. It's minor.
Yeah, well, it makes
I'm
it
not concerned about the engine performance.
reliability, of course.
Yeah.
I want to drive an original
Very
car around.
tight driving car.
Great. Great color, awesome options. Bright blue. One of my favorite colors. Original motor, right? L48?
Say again?
L48 original?
Yes. 47,000.
Wow.
The car sat for about 22 years with the second owner.
Oh my God. So you're the third owner.
Third owner.
It's such an iconic car. Oh, even the clock still works.
The clocks were sent out to a restoration place in Connecticut.
Oh.
The clock and the battery to be restored.
Great.
Original.
Yeah, I see it ticking, not sweeping.
Yeah, exactly.
The quartz replacement clocks, they sweep. And CRS guys like the ticking clock, right?
Yes. Everything has to be correct.
Yeah. Cool. You fired up?
Sure.
Yeah, that's nice, huh? You know what they say, they're only original once.
Yeah.
And the front seats recovered?
Completely restored it, recovered, yeah.
Oh, good. So new
Frames.
padding and everything.
Frames, foam, and leather. Yeah, they were sent down.
Cool. Here it is, bright blue.
Yep.
Can pop the hood? Very nicely done. Look at shielding in here and everything. Even over the exhaust.
Correct. With the carburetor for the building.
Wow.
Can't see now, but there's slash marks on the suspension the way the factory did it when it came down.
Oh, the chalk marks, right?
Yep. Exactly.
Cool. You guys can check out the photos of that online. Beautiful. Padding under the hood?
Yeah, that's fresh padding. Yeah, cool. Paper snorkel. This is actually again as a stick with the NOS.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very hard to find.
And it's plastic in it to get ducted in place.
Of course, they hit you for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, super nice, honest car.
Yeah.
Anything else you replaced on it?
Pretty much all your vacuum headlight vacuum actuators.
Yeah.
All the lines, all fresh.
Oh, yeah. Lights pop up. Nice, right?
Yes. Got a T3 lights.
Yeah, man. You even have the original style lights,
Yeah,
too.
dirt poles.
Well, they hit you for that, too.
Absolutely. Everything is a point.
The point, yeah. The S sticker right there, that's all correct, too. And shielding down in here is all correct. The right compressor.
Yeah.
I love all the tower clamps and the GM
Behind
hoses.
the valve puppy here that most people don't know, but
Yeah.
it points to. Yeah. Tag on the neck.
So what did she score?
Top flight, it was, I think it was 96 plus.
Wow, very good. Is that a regional?
Say again?
Regional or national?
This was local.
The local. Okay.
This is the local NCRS.
Cool. Love it. I love the Deluxe interior too, with the leather and the wood. Really makes a nice touch. Your speedometer and tach look really nice too. All the lights work. Very pretty. Go for a quick ride?
Yeah.
Nice to have the T-tops off, huh?
Yeah, it looks like today.
Perfect, yeah. Man, what a pretty car. Gauges look so clear too. Were those redone?
No, they're clean.
Jeez. It's indicative of a 47,000 mile car, I guess.
47.6.
It's pretty cool. Let's go. Yeah, that's two. I'm gonna lose it. Yeah, and even the glass, huh?
Yes. That glass was changed with the correct markings.
Yeah. It's important.
Yes.
That's nice. That's sweet, huh?
Yeah, it's tight. It's a very tight car. It also had a four-wheel alignment with all the new shings.
Wow, perfect.
Most guys don't do that.
No, they don't.
Very expensive to do.
It's hard to find guys that know how to do it too these days.
Yes.
So how long have you owned it?
This is about 13 years now.
Wow. Well,
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
Have you always been a Corvette guy?
I've had a couple of Corvettes, but I've had my muscle cars.
Cool.
Chevelles, Camaros,
Oh, nice.
and some pickup trucks in between.
Nice C10s, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also visit our website. I took about 200 photos today. So, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.